Open your heart up, hoping I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you just how you are. Hope you never find out who I really am. 'Cause you'll never love me, you never love me, you'll never love me.
What's up, guys? I'm Kinzey Rae. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So jumping straight into the video, I'm just going to be taking this black eyebrow pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. And the way I like to do it is I start with my line in the front underneath my brow, and then I just work that line all the way down, just kind of tracing out my brow, and then I start working the top. And I like to make the tail of my brow a little darker than the front, and in the front I do like the fading effect. So as you can see, I just kind of take the pencil and go back and forth on the beginning of my brow, and I'm pressing very light because I want this area to be faded. Now that I'm done filling it in, I'm just going to take my spoolie and brush the front of my brow, and this just helps get rid of any harsh lines, and it also helps create that faded look that we're going for. And I'm just going to comb the rest of my hairs in place. Alright, so now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn and an angled concealer brush that I got from Walgreens. I think it was like $6. So I'm going to be taking about this much, and I'm just going to be outlining my brows. And to me, this is the most important part. This is what's really going to make your brows really sharp and make them look neat. So this is what I take the most time doing. And pretty much you're just going to be tracing out your brows. So you guys can watch me. I'll kind of fast forward through this part, but this is what I really like to take my time on. And if you don't get this part perfect your first time, it's okay. Y'all don't know how long it took me to finally learn how to do my brows. Like, it took me a while because when I first started out, I was using a round brush, and it made it really hard to make that line underneath my brow straight. So then I learned to start using an angle brush, and your brows are not going to always come out perfectly. They're not going to always come out the same. So don't be hard on yourself. Just keep practicing like I did. My eyebrows still aren't perfect, and I'm pretty sure some people are going to have something to say about them. But this is just how I like to do my brows, and this is just my process. Alright, so now that I'm done carving out the bottom of my brow, I'm going to be taking my concealer and just putting this all over my eyelid. And this is just to make it all one color and to make the brows look neater. Alright, now I'm taking this big concealer brush and I'm kind of just patting down on the concealer on my eye. And this is just to lock it in. I'm not really like rubbing it or brushing it, just patting it in. This is what works best for me because I have really oily skin. So when I start to like take the brush and kind of like brush it in, it disappears. So I just have to pat it in, and it works well for me. So alright, and now this part is a little more easy. All I'm doing is taking, and my camera's out of focus. Okay, and we're back. Alright, so I'm just taking that angled brush again in my concealer, and this time I'm just carving out the top of my brows. And you're really just going to make a line. First I make like a line kind of far away from it, and then I get closer because sometimes, like if you're in a rush, you'll end up taking the concealer and putting it in the brow where you just put your pencil at, and it just messes it all up. So start wide and then work your way in. Alright, so now I'm taking that concealer and kind of brushing it upward, and this is going to help me be able to blend it out easier, so I won't have to like drag my concealer brush along my brow and mess it all up. So this just helps the blending process. Alright, so now I'm taking my concealer brush and just blending the rest of that out into my forehead. I'm sorry, you know what? That's actually a 5 head. Alright, so now I'm just taking my spoolie and just brushing my hairs in place, just making it nice and neat and pretty. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And comment below some videos that you guys would like to see from me. So yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.